Anytime now. Oh, says out sharp as ever. Airborne Magic is spinning line is running in the middle portion. What's up, Victory Boots, then followed by Apple, Royal Jewels, Colonial Store. And trailing the group is facing the music. Airborne Magic is spinning light. What's up? Is running by Drella. Then racing in fourth, Victory Boots alongside fifth, sharp as ever, Apple, Royal Jewels, Colonial Star, and facing the music, still racing in this. What's up? By Autolink, Airborne Magic moving up is spinning line. Ari outside to take second. Victory Boots in fourth, sharp as ever in fifth, Apple in sixth, Royal Jewels, Colonial Star, and trailing the group, still is facing the music. Is spinning line. Airborne Magic is running by Drella. Then racing in third, what's up? Victory Boots coming closer now in fourth. Sharp as ever in fifth. Then here comes Royal Jewels. Is spinning light. Airborne Magic. Victory Boots are outside third. As they come down to the last 50. Airborne Magic still in front. Victory Boots is spinning light. Sharp as ever is running by Drella. With Airborne Magic by about 3 lengths. Sharp as ever, Victory Boots, Royal Jewels are the outside. But it's still Airborne Magic. Second, sharp as ever, Royal Jewels, Victory Boots, up po.
Okay, Bayan Karibista, ayan po, nakikita nyo on your screen ang ating unofficial winner numero 2, Airborne Magic with Jibo Hernandez, nasa segundo, sharp as ever.